Hey friend, this is Rajiv, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can clone a WordPress site in cPanel. But first of all, let us know what is cloning and why it is really required. Cloning a website is like copying a live website and installing it into another domain or a subdomain. Now why it is required is because sometimes you want to test some plugin or want to try and upgrade before putting that in the live version, because if you test in the live version and something goes wrong, then it's a big headache to get the website in shape. Now as you learned what is cloning and why it is required, now let's go to the computer screen and learn how to do that. So you have two options for cloning: either you try a different domain or you can try a subdomain. So in this video I'm going to try the subdomain. So that's my live website. So let me go to my cPanel. So first of all, here I'm going to create a subdomain. So as you can see, I have two websites which is hosted here. Now let's go to domain. So you have to go to domain and click on subdomain. So I made a mistake here. So I'm clicking on subdomain and let's give a name staging and select the domain as riansclub.com. Now let's go to Softacolors, go to installation and click on clone. So here you can fill all the details. Make sure the domain is staging.riansclub.com. Keep the database name as it is. And finally click on clone installation. So you'll get the link for WordPress and the admin panel. So it won't work here because I'm using Cloudflare, so you have to go to the DNS setting and add the staging. So let me go to Cloudflare and type staging and give the same IP address as like the main domain. And click on add records. It might take some time, maybe about 4 or 5 minutes to propagate the DNS. So once it is done, then click on the link. So as you can see that my website has been cloned here. Now we can try all my plugin, I can do my testing and everything. So that's all guys, a short demo about how you can clone a website to another domain or a subdomain. If you feel that the video is helpful for you, then please like and share the video and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.